This is TechCrunch. While many robotics companies are building human-sized robots or working to automate entire factories, MicroFactory is instead trying to think big by building small. San Francisco-based MicroFactory built a general-purpose tabletop manufacturing kit that's about the size of a large dog crate. This compact factory includes two robotic arms and can be trained by human demonstration as well as through artificial intelligence. Igor Kulikov, the co-founder and CEO of MicroFactory, said in an interview with TechCrunch, general-purpose robots are good, but it's not necessary to be humanoid. We decided to design robots from scratch that will still be general-purpose, but not in human shape. In this way, it can be done much simpler, much easier in hardware and on the AI side. Rather than selling individual robotic arms, MicroFactory's system comes as an enclosed but transparent workstation, allowing users to watch the manufacturing process in real time. The compact factory in a box is designed for precision tasks like circuit board assembly, component soldering, and cable routing. Users can train the robots by physically guiding the arms through complex motions, a hands-on approach that Kulikov says works faster than traditional AI programming for intricate manufacturing sequences. Kulikov said usually it takes a couple of hours, but in this way, the robot much better understands what it should do. When you hire people, we still need to spend time, like a week or something, to instruct these people to then supervise their work. A manufacturing company, they already have this time and resources to spend, and it will be much easier to train a model and to make it work in this way. Kulikov's experience with traditional manufacturing helped spark the idea behind MicroFactory. He and his co-founder Viktor Petrenko used to run BitLighter, a manufacturing business that made portable lighting equipment for photographers. Kulikov said it was difficult to train new employees on how to complete the manufacturing process correctly. When advancements in AI made it seem possible to automate this type of work, they decided to jump on the opportunity. Kulikov and Petrenko launched MicroFactory last year. It took them about 5 months to build their prototype. Now the company has hundreds of pre-orders from customers looking to use the machines for various applications, including assembling electronics and even processing snails to be shipped to France for escargot. MicroFactory just raised a $1.5 million pre-seed funding round that included investors like executives from the AI company Hugging Face and investor-entrepreneur Naval Ravikant. The round values the young startup at a $30 million post-money valuation. Kulikov said the company plans to use the funding to build and ship out its units. The company is currently converting its prototype into a commercial product that it hopes to begin shipping in about 2 months. The company also plans to make some hires and continue improving its technology, including the AI models running under the hood. Kulikov said, "Our growth is related to building hardware, so we set the goal to increase it 10 times each year. In the first year, we want to produce 1,000 robots, about 3 per day, and we have the capability to do this. Then, we want to make more and more productions." Smartphone startup Nothing announced yesterday that it closed its Series C round of $200 million, which was led by the investment firm Tiger Global. With this round, the consumer electronics company is now valued at $1.3 billion. Other investors in the round included existing backers such as venture outfits GV, Highland Europe, EQT, Latitude, I2BF, and Tapestry. The company, founded by Carl Pei, who previously co-founded Chinese smartphone maker OnePlus, known for high-performance devices at competitive prices, also received new strategic backing from Nikhil Kamath and Qualcomm Ventures. The new funding takes Nothing's total funding to over $450 million. Nothing has less than 1% market share globally, but in India, its biggest market, it has managed to grab 2% share, according to analytics firm IDC. The company has shipped 5.1 million units to date, with the company shipping over a million units just in Q2 of this year. IDC said its global expansion has been slow as 80% of its units are still sold in Asia. Pei has said that he wants to target his brand towards the next generation of users, who might seek alternatives beyond incumbents. He said, "The way we've differentiated our brand and differentiated our products is really resonating with our group of consumers. We're targeting the next generation. They're interested in tech, they're interested in creativity and design, and we really found resonance among that consumer group." Highland Europe partner Tony Zappala, who is an existing investor in the company, said that the company has delivered on its promises and has room to grow in this huge industry. He said that Nothing is now a recognized name in the industry, which has its own advantages in terms of attracting talent and building supply chain relationships. The company wants to build an operating system with AI and personalization features that might extend beyond smartphones. Currently, they have only seen a few glimpses of AI in the operating system, with features like Essential Search, a smart search function that helps users find information across their device. The startup has hired Salim Beniat, a former executive from Linktree and founder of Bento, to lead its AI services efforts. Zappala said that the challenge in building such an operating system is both a customer experience and a trust issue. "I think the challenge of building an effective AI-first experience is not unique to Nothing. This is more than a technical challenge. AI features need to reach a stage where users are not double-checking the output." Companies like Apple have struggled to integrate AI features effectively into their operating systems. For Nothing, the difficulty is finding the right balance between newness and helpfulness while executing AI features. Pei believes that smartphones remain the best way to deliver AI, and they will be the dominant form factor for all consumer AI applications for at least 3 to 5 years. With this fundraising announcement, the company said it plans to launch an AI-first device next year. However, there have not been many success stories in the AI hardware space. AI hardware startup Humane was sold to HP after struggling with its AI pen device. And AI assistant company Rabbit has been working to improve its R1 device, releasing a new software update recently after the company was not satisfied with the first iteration. That's it from TechCrunch. For more stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.